Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon is leading today's inspection of water channels in the city of Parañaque, which suffered severe flooding the past days. Clearing operations are underway because of the huge amounts of garbage clogging the waterways. Micah Razon is on the phone for more. Micah, what's the latest?
The clearing operations are still underway here in Parañaque City water channel after it was completely filled with garbage. Personnel from the LGU Centro, MMDA, TUPAD, DPWH, and DNR have joined forces to clear the water channel. And just to give you an idea of how much garbage they're dealing with, this water channel is about 1 kilometer long, and it seems like there's also about 1 kilometer's worth of trash. We also saw Centro personnel actually stepping into the water, which is filled with garbage, and some of them were not wearing PPE. They told us that they already used to cleaning creeks and esteros, so for them, this kind of work is nothing new. DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon and MMDA General Manager Nicolas Torre also came here to check on the situation. They said this is the first time they've seen this much garbage in this particular water channel. According to them, the volume of trash was so large that the trash trap installed here could no longer handle it. Back to you, Mai.
Micah, ano raw ang magiging solusyon dito? Kasi matagal nang problema itong flooding at indiscriminate disposal of garbage na always it actually worsens the floods dyan sa Parañaque. Anong sinabi ni Secretary Vince dito?
Sabi ni Secretary Vince Dizon regarding the solution, hindi daw ito overnight na masosolve, pero sabi nila sa ngayon ang gagawin nilang intervention ay aayusin daw nila yung trash trap at nag-call din sila na sana yung mga basura ay itapon natin sa tamang basurahan dahil sabi nga daw naniniwala si Secretary Vince Dizon na kung ano yung basura na itinapon natin ay babalik din sa atin at ito na nga daw yung naging pruweba nito. Mai?
Maraming salamat, Micah Razon, nag-uulat.